Hey everyone, so here are TikTok resumes. So it's a new portal developed by TikTok. You can find it on tiktokresumes.com. And yeah, basically here the idea is that you can apply for a job just with your TikTok video. So if you just create a TikTok video, include the hashtag TikTok resume, so it's really important to include that hashtag, and then you can just apply for specific jobs which are listed on this website. So you can just go to jobs here, and then just when your video is created, you can just copy link to that video and submit an application. That's it. You don't need to write a cover letter, submit all resumes. Even your LinkedIn profile is optional. Just your name, email, and link to TikTok video. So yeah, what you should do. So first, of course, obviously you need to find jobs to which you want to apply. So just go to this website, tiktokresumes.com. And yeah, also be aware that it only works in US and you can only apply by July 31st. But probably they will expand more in future. So you can look for brands. There are actually quite a lot of brands here already and some good ones. There are a lot of openings around like video creation, production, brand management, TikTok, all of that stuff related to TikTok. So yeah, so for example here, if I want to apply for influencer strategist, I can just tap here and then I can just tap next. And then what happens, I of course I need to read the description of the job, and I need to create a TikTok video resume, use hashtag TikTok resumes, and then apply to a job. And then, for example, let's just do that. So tap submit. Then you have first name, last name, email address, confirm email address, and then get your TikTok video resume link. And that's it. So submission of links to a general TikTok profile will not be considered. And then you need to also copy your TikTok link. So that's that. So for example, yeah, here was just my video. Let's try to create one. So, and then something like this. So you need to do that. And then you can select cover, and remember that this video should be public. So it shouldn't be friends or only me. So everyone should see it. And then you have that video. And then here you can just tap, and then you need to copy a link. So yep, here you just tap copy link, and there you have it. And then you can just insert it here on this website. So that's basically how the process looks like. You can create any type of video. There are no requirements. It can be 3 minutes, it can be 30 seconds, whatever. And then let's just go through FAQs. So what happens next? And then, so the companies will just review a video, and each company has its own process. You might not receive a communication at all. So yeah, then again, it's only open from July 7th to July 31st. Then you can just follow these steps to create a TikTok resume. Again, you don't need like some specific other app. It's just everything in a standard TikTok app. That's your video. So your video should be public. If you posted your video as private, you need to go to video settings to convert it to public. Your account should be public. Do you need to use a hashtags? Yes, you need to use hashtag. So will TikTok be adding more job openings and all of that? So if you upload TikTok resume, doesn't mean you applied for a job. So again, it depends on the on each hiring process in each company. Do you need to? So you can also just turn off comments for your TikTok resumes. And this is just like that's just the first step from TikTok. And if you're a company, you can apply here TikTok resumes partner@tiktok.com. So that's that. Hope it is helpful. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, visit my website mrhack.io.